Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about 𝗏𝗏𝗏, and specifically, we're going to be focusing mainly on the cover designer. Now, that's really good because it allows you to be able to create an entire cover from beginning to end, including the bleed as well as the spine size, all within 𝗏𝗏𝗏 itself. Now, I'll be also talking to you about the pricing and the various things that are involved, and I'll be showing you how to actually do this. So, if this is the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. You know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So let's go check it out now. Hey guys, okay, now in this part of the video, we're going to be talking about the 𝗏𝗏𝗏, and specifically the 𝗏𝗏𝗏 cover creator. Now, right now I'm just going to be showing you, I'm currently in the pricing section and I want to just show you the pricing of 𝗏𝗏𝗏. Now you can do some certain things free, but the only the only thing you can get for free is the interiors. However, if you wish to be able to create a cover, you really need to do one of these two. Now, I've got this set at yearly. You can choose the monthly if you wish to, which is a bit more affordable, at either $9.99 a month for the newbies, or if you want to go pro, you can do $19.99. If you want to go yearly, you can have it at $89.99 a year for the newbies, or $199 for the year for pros. I personally went the $89.99 for the year, and I'm finding that is doing me quite fine. Now, let's go and have a look over here at 𝗏𝗏𝗏, and we'll have a look at over here. Now, what I have to do is I want to go over here to where it says my name, and I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go down to where it says 𝗏𝗏𝗏 Designer, and I'm going to just click on that. Now I'm going to log in. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be choosing either a cover or an interior, but in this particular case, we're going to be choosing a cover. So we're going to click on that, and I want to choose the trim size. Now, the trim size I'm choosing in this particular case is 8.5 by 11. It's one of my favorite sizes because it's large, it's easy to do, and you know, you can make it fairly large. So what I'm planning on also doing is maybe making that, let's make that 300 pages. No, make it 365 pages. Make it a year. And we're going to hit submit. And in just a moment or two, this will create its cover for you. So I'm just going to pause it while it does that. Okay, now what we're doing is we're going to be having a look here at the cover creator. One of the things I would like to do, this actually can create your entire cover. Now, one of the things I love to do first off is I'm going to be creating a dream journal. So I'm going to be going here, and I'm going to the where it says images, and then I'm going to go here. I can either upload an image of my own, or I can go to the resource section and click on there. I'm going to go there, and I might type in the word cloud, because you know clouds are dreamy, so it works well for this. And as we scroll through, oh, look at that. That appears to be a bit of a dream. Yeah, that looks like it's probably a bit of a dream view anyway, so let's have a look at that. Oh, that's perfect. Have a look at that. I'm going to just expand this up till it covers the entire page. I'll have a look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, now, we can add a bit of clip art here, or we can add some shapes. I might have a look at some shapes here and see if there's anything I can add. I might throw this one in. Yeah, the little griffin. Yeah, I might just throw that in because it kind of matches the theme of a dream. But it's probably a bit too dark, so let's change the color of that. I might change that to more of a grey color, so I just click on here, and I can take this down to a lighter color. I think maybe something along these lines should be fine. That looks alright because you can see it from here, and then we can go bang, click off that. And that looks fine. It looks like it's chasing the birds around. You can put in more about there if you want to, or perhaps there. Make it look like he's chasing the birds around. It's all part of the dream sequence, you see. Now, another thing we can do is we can add some text. So let's go find some text here. Now, don't really bother with these ones. They're too hard to actually change around. So, but what I like to do is I like to go here where it says load more than 1,000 fonts. You can click on that, and as you can see, there are a huge quantity of fonts right here that you can choose from. And I'm going to go through and I'm going to just see if we can find some fonts that I would like, that I think will go well with this. We want something that's a bit dreamy, a little bit more probably large and in your face, like the Polar one. You could use a sans script if you wish to, or some sort of script, but don't go too crazy with the scripts because sometimes they're a bit hard to read. No, you want something probably a bit thicker as well, something, because that's quite a busy image. You probably want something that's going to stand out and be large. So you want to be careful of the type of font you grab in, because I want to grab something that's fairly large, thick and bold, and also able to do the job I want it to do. So click over here, but it needs to be a little bit girly because it does have a female in the image. So that being the case, Homemade Apple, that looks awesome. I wonder if I can actually bolden that up if I was to grab that one. So all we need to do is click on that, and as you can see, we have that there. So if we click on that, that is there. So you can see that's very light colored and it's very hard to see. But to change that, all you have to do is click on that and then click here on the section here. Now I'm going to choose this particular one here, make it nice and dark, and I'm just going to click on there. I might even see if I can bold. Oops, so Daisy, be careful not to do that. I might expand that up a little bit more, making sure it covers the entire page. There we go. Make sure that you can bolden this. So let's just click inside there so it covers the entire image, or the entire lettering of the font, and we can go bold. Yes, it can be boldened. Yes, we can do that. No, I don't think I want to do that. Okay, that's good. But I do wish to make that one. Okay, we're going to call this one Dream Journal, so let's just delete some of these letters. Or my personal Dream Journal. That's good. And we can now raise that up. I'm just going to click off there for 1 second and click back on there and raise that up. I like to put it around about the center. I might even make that larger if I can, and then expand that out so as it covers a larger portion of the screen. Okay, that's good. Now I'll click off that, and that is looking beautiful so far. I might also duplicate this one and move that over. Oops, a daisy. Whoa, undo. Okay, you can undo by going like that. So I'm just going to go undo. I'm going to grab one of these, drag it over here to where it's away from the other one, and I'm going to click inside of here and make it all one line. Oops, a daisy. Try that again. Spacing was what I was meaning to do. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to change the size of the font. And first of all, click on that, get it bigger, expand it out. Now, take this one across to the other side so as it makes it one long word. Now we can shrink it down by clicking on there, and we can shrink that down. Why I'm doing that is so as I can put it on the spine. Now let's turn that around so as it fits like that, and we can see if that'll fit inside the spine. Now we might need to shrink that down just a tiny bit more, so what we have to do is grab that and shrink it down, and there we have it. It fits inside the spine beautifully. Now you can add your name to this. I mean, I hear people go, oh, you shouldn't use your real name, just use a pseudonym. I don't understand why people would even say that. If you want to brand yourself, why would you want to do that? I personally think that I want to brand myself, so I want to put my own name down. I don't understand why people don't want to put their own name down. It doesn't make any sense to me. But anyhow, you can also put the size of the image just here, so I'm going to just use a simple font for that one, perhaps this one here, Oswald. Yeah, Oswald will do. And because it's something that's just like the sizing, I don't have to be overly bold with this one. I'm just going to keep it at that font and keep it at that color, and it's going to be 8.5, 365 page. And I can also shrink that down, 8.5 by 11. And we can go shrink this down to a different size. Shrink it down, and there we have it. We can make that a little bit darker if you wish to. So I'm just going to highlight over the top of that, and we can change the color to maybe a black, and there we have it. Now, if you wish to, as I said, you can also add your name to this. So if I'm going to be doing that, I'm going to put that down there. But because it's a dream journal, I mean, unless you're going to be doing this, coming across as an expert in the field, then I would suggest that's not necessary. Now, what we're going to be doing is I'm now going to download this. Now, this will download as a PDF, and that's okay when you're in Amazon, because when you're actually in Amazon, you can download your own personal one as a PDF. And that is okay. So what you need to do is I'm going to go click here, and this will take a minute or so to do its thing, so I'm just going to pause the video while I'm waiting for that to happen. Alright, as you can see, it's now ready. So let's have a quick look at this, and that'll open it up into this tab here for me. And it is a beautiful cover, which looks amazing. I'm just going to shrink this down a little bit by pressing Control and then scrolling back on my mouse roller. And as you can see, it looks gorgeous. And you can put some writing along here, and there's absolutely no reason why you can't. In fact, I would recommend it because it will help you with your SEO. And then all you need to do is just download it. Well, I'm going to be downloading this into my D drive, back to where my low content creation is, and I'm going to now call this one New Dream Journal cover, or Lady on Cliff Dream Journal, or 8.5. Yeah, I think I'll do this, and at the end of here I'll say Lady on Cliff and looking out. That'll do. And of course I've got this already set up like that, 370 pages. That is perfectly fine. Now, I'm not going to be putting it in a specific folder. All I'm going to be doing is downloading it, and it'll download as a PDF. So I just have to look for the 8_5 by 11. So let's have a look at that, and we will save it. So all I need to do now is go across to here, get rid of that. Now another thing I want to do is go over here to the interiors section. Now remembering I'm a paid member, so I'm going to have access to absolutely everything here. So I'm going to copy this link just here in just a moment, copy that, and I'm going to go across to incognito, and I'm going to paste that into incognito so you can see what it actually looks like for a non-paid member. Okay, so as you can see, there are certain things that you just can't get access to, and let's have a look and see whether I can get access to the Dream Journal. They give you access to lots and lots of different things, so, and I'll leave a link to this section down below so you can have access to it as well. Let's have a look and see if I can get access to the Dream Journal in this section here. Not sure. Okay, I'm going to get off here, but I'm going to go to this one. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to find the Dream Journal one, which is really nice. And scroll a bit further down. There we are. right here. This is the Dream Journal one, already made up. Now, of course, you can choose your bleed size. I'm going to go here to bleed, and I'm going to go here to 8.5 by 11, which is click on there. And because I'm choosing this one, I'm going to be making sure I have that one counted, and we're going to be calling it. We're going to be making this one 365, and we can download that. And there we have it. Waiting for this to download. And this is what you have. Now I'm going to expand that up a little bit so you can read what it says. Thoughts before sleep, emotions before sleep, dream, what you can do is write down the dream, the interpretation of the dream, feelings upon waking up, as well as comments. And of course that's 365 pages long. So that's pretty obvious. So now all we have to do is download this to where we want to put it. And I'm going to be calling this one, well, I may as well leave it as is. In fact, I might even start up my own one here, call this one Dreamy Girl or something like that, or Dream Girl. Call this one Dream Girl. .5 by 11, and that will do. Click off there. There we are, click on there, and I'm going to save that into there. Now I might even save this one in there as well. And there we have it. Alright, you're now ready to go. It was all done, completely finished now. And you can now upload this into KDP, and I can guarantee you that you won't have any issues with this. Now, this is 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, and of course this is the paid version of it, but I'll leave the links down below for the cover page and so forth. Not the cover page, for the interior, I should say, and how you can find it and so forth for the free version. But if you wish to sign up to the paid version, the link will be down in the description below. Oh, and also too, while you're here, why not smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.